Okay, so here we have another video of probability, and this question is from November 2014, paper 1, question 21. According to this question, a bag contains 5 balls, 2 of which are blue and 3 are red. Okay, total we have 5 balls, 2 are blue and 3 are red. So if we write the data here, we have 2 blue balls, okay, and 3 red balls. So altogether we have 5 balls. Now one ball is taken at random from the bag. If it is red, then it is put back into the bag. So if we check the color of the ball, if it is red, then we will keep that ball back in the bag. If it is blue, it is not put back into the bag. So if the ball is blue, then we will not keep the ball back into the bag. A second ball is taken at random from the bag. Part of the tree diagram that represent these outcomes is drawn below. Now let's start this. Here, according to the condition, if the ball color is red, then we will keep that ball again in the bag. Okay, and if the ball color is blue, then we will not keep ball back into the bag. Okay, we will pick the next ball. Now, so here they have completed. If the first ball is blue, what is the probability of second blue ball and second red ball? So if the first ball is red, what will be the probability of second blue ball? And what is the probability of second red ball? So if the first ball is red, so as you remember, they have told in the question that if the ball is red, then we will keep that ball again into the bag. Okay, now if we pick that ball, if it is red, then we have kept again into the bag. Now to pick the blue ball, so how many blue balls we have into the bag? 2. And how many total balls we have in the bag? 5. So probability will be 2 upon 5. Because if the ball is red, we will not take out that ball, we will keep that ball again into the bag. Now if the first ball is red and now we are picking the second red ball, so as we have checked the color and we kept that red ball again into the bag, so total we have 3 red ball once again. So the probability of second red ball is 3 upon 5. Okay. Now according to the next part, they are saying complete the tree diagram. So we have completed this. Expressing each answer as a fraction in its simplest form, find the probability that both balls taken are blue. So here in this condition, we will take probability of blue and blue. Okay. So in probability, n means multiply. So the probability of first blue is 2 upon 5. And the probability of second blue is 1 upon 4. Now when we simplify this, it's 2 times 2 is 4. So it will be 1 upon 10. So the answer of this part is 1 upon 10. Now in the next part, they are saying the second ball taken is blue. Okay, the second ball taken is blue. So they have not mentioned the color of the first ball. So maybe the first ball is also blue, or maybe the first ball is red. So here we have 2 conditions. So according to both conditions, maybe the first ball is blue and the second ball is also blue, or according to the second condition, maybe the first ball is red and second ball is blue. Okay, so in both conditions, the second ball is blue and the first ball can be blue or it can be red. So if we write the probability of blue and blue, we have just written these probabilities above. So it was 2 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon 4. Here we have written these 2 probabilities, blue and blue. Now the second condition is, first we will write positive sign because of this or. Now the probability of red and probability of blue. So the probability of first red is 3 upon 5. See, here we have 3 upon 5 and the probability of second blue ball is 2 upon 5. So 3 upon 5 multiplied by 2 upon 5. Here we have 3 upon 5 multiplied by 2 upon 5. Okay, we don't keep the simplest term here 1 upon 10 here at the first place, because again I have told you in the last video also that your denominators must be same, so it will be easy to simplify. You don't need to take any LCM. Now if you simplify this, it's 2 upon 20 plus 6 upon 25. Okay, here we have got different denominators. Okay, so when we get different denominator, it's up to us. Here we can write 1 upon 10 as well. Okay, or it's up to you, write 1 upon 20, okay, or 2 upon 20 or 1 upon 10. Okay, here when we simplify this, it will be 2 upon 20, and then when we simplify it more, it's 1 upon 10. So here, as we are having different denominators, so we can keep the simplest value as well. Now if we take the LCM, here the LCM will be 50. Okay, and in numerator we will get 5 plus 2 6 times 12. So 5 plus 12 is 17 upon 50. So the simplest answer of this part is 17 upon 50. Okay, according to the second part, the second ball must be blue. Okay, so here we have second ball as blue, and the first ball can be blue or it can be red. Okay, I hope you have understood this question. Thank you.